Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by getting the 450 BT ready. Charge it for at least 30 minutes so battery won't drop during pairing, and the LED will behave predictably. Next, press and hold the power button for 4 to 6 seconds until the LED flashes blue and red. That indicates pairing mode. On your phone or laptop, open Bluetooth settings and make the device discoverable. You do this so the headset and source can find each other promptly and securely. Once the headset is advertising, look for Sennheiser 450 BT in your device's Bluetooth list and select it. That initiates the secure handshake. If the device asks for a PIN, enter 0000, though most modern phones skip that step. Accept any prompts. After pairing, make sure the audio profile is set correctly. Choose A2DP for high-quality music, or HFP/HSB if you need microphone support for calls. This ensures you get the intended sound quality and mic functionality without extra steps. To finish, play audio and make a quick test call so you confirm both playback and microphone work. Once done, check volume and device output settings to avoid muted audio. If you want tweaks or firmware updates, install the Sennheiser Smart Control app and Connect. That maintains compatibility and improves performance. If pairing fails, reset the headset by powering off, then press and hold power and volume down until LED indicates reset. Try pairing again, because a reset.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.